Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, the Dawn is in the kitchen again to do what? Yes, you always get it right. You is a A1 student. Pumpkin beef soup or beef soup with pumpkin. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so when they don't do a video, you will be the first one to know. And to all my YouTuber subscribers, supporter, follower, silent watcher, a very big warm welcome to you all. Guys, I really appreciate your support and I thank you all because without you the Dawn wouldn't be here on YouTube. I thank you all guys for your support, so please continue to support me. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment. So when you leave a comment, it's free to like. So here is 2 corn, 3 stalks of scallion, some fresh thyme, 1 pound of Irish potato, 2 cups of flour, 1 pound yellow yam, 1 ounce of butter, pimento seed, probably 2 dozen or so, 1 green plantain, optional. I say the cocoa, your 2 cocoa. Of course you need your pumpkin. I already begin to peel a pumpkin. 1 pound of pumpkin, 1 chayote or chocha. In Jamaica we call this chocho here, and some other places they call it coyote or chayote. 1 green pepper, and this is a Scotch bonnet pepper. We're not using the red pepper. No, when you're boiling soup, do not use red pepper. And the star of the show is the beef neck. 2 pounds of beef neck. So look on the beef neck. You go to the store, guys, and you buy this. You think a lot of meat, but look at the trick how they trick me. You see when you lift it and you turn it over, no meat on this side, it's bare bones. Look, bare bones. They turn up the meat side and make it look nice. So you think you're getting a lot of meat. So with this alone can't do. So here I have about 1 more pound of beef to go with the beef neck. And of course you need your soup. You're gonna need your cock soup. And 1 teaspoon of all-purpose and 1 teaspoon of salt. You don't need a lot of salt, guys, because remember we're using the cock soup, and once you're using the noodle, it's a lot of soup in it. When I'm making my soup, I like to add a little ginger in it. So this is how our beef is looking now, guys, and we're gonna add it in the boiling water. So ensure you put it in away from you, not to burn you. And you see the pot is boiling up. Just lower the meat in low. Here I'm gonna place 2 heads of garlic in it, and you crush the garlic and just put it in, and we're gonna cover this pot, and it's gonna boil. The beef gonna boil for at least 1 hour. If the water go down while it's boiling, all you need to do is just add a little more water. So in the meantime, we're gonna sieve the flour. It's always good for you to sieve your flour for any crawling insect. And it let the flour light, and you remove any lump from the flour. You see, these are lumps. I want to add a little salt in, just a pinch. Guys, I'm just gonna add 1 more cup of flour in because this looks too small to the amount of people I'm cooking for. So there we have 3 cups of flour, and with clean hands ensure your hands is clean. You're gonna mix, remember you put salt. So when I'm cooking beef soup, I love to cook plain dumpling. I love white dumpling. I don't love cornmeal dumpling in my soup. So I'm just gonna show you how to knead the flour. This is 1 cup of water. And I put some, you make a well and you put some in, and you're just gonna wheel it around with your finger. And you come again with some more water. I can use all because I know that is gonna need more water. So just 1 cup of water, and I use 2 more spoons with it, and the flour is kneaded. Is our bowl clean? And no flour not caking, sticking up all over on my hand like that, right? You can touch your flour and it not caking all over on your hand. So you know your flour is kneaded. All you make our dumpling, you just take off a little piece. I mean, you don't want to take off this too much. This can make like 2 dumplings. So you see, you divide it just like that, and you just roll it in the palm of your hand, just like this, right? And then you just indent it with your finger, go around. And the dumpling is like that. For the spinners, we Jamaican, we love use spinners. So you go a little bit more, like a piece just like this, and you roll it. So this is our spinners. We like to have spinners in our soup. Just peel on the Irish potato. And I'm gonna cut it in 2. It doesn't matter. Oh, just slice it in 2. For the pumpkin, you're just gonna peel on the outside, cut. I already peeled the pumpkin. And the pumpkin is like this, you just wanna just like that. The chayote, you don't have to peel your chayote. You can eat the skin. Just cut off any part that you see not looking good, any brown spot. And remember, the chayote is stainy, so it's always good when you have it in some water so it don't stain your hand. So just cut in 2. Right there, and we're just gonna slice it. You slice it anyhow you want to put it in your soup. I forgot all about the carrots, so you're gonna use 1 carrot or 2 carrots. It depends on how big they are. So you're just gonna remove the head right there and the tail, and you scrape. I like to scrape my carrot with a knife. You have a vegetable peeler, go ahead and use it. So the corn, you're just gonna remove the corn from the trash and remove all the ear them from it. Then we're gonna cut right ear off. Just put it on the cutting board and press. That's no good, and I'm gonna remove this side too. Sometimes you buy the corn it already chopped. You can cook it just as it is, or if you wanna cut them, you can always chop them a little bit finer for the soup. On my knife sharp, just move your finger out the way. Right, so we have this in 4, and I'm gonna do the other one just the same. One day I'm gonna tell you what you can use the corn ear for. I don't throw it away, you know, guys. I always take them off and dry them, and I'll let you know one day. I'll do a video and let you know what I use it for. This corn, they easily cook. That is why I didn't put it on with the beef. So now I'm just gonna add this in the pot. It's been more than an hour. The beef after cook. So just add the corn in. And just stir. And Mark, you add some water. Yeah, I add water to the pot. So remember, as I told you, you have to add water. So I'm just gonna give it the beef 15 minutes more. Add a pimento seed in. Also, you're gonna add the pumpkin in. Put on the carrot. Looking at this cocoa, I doubt it good. I don't think this cocoa is good. Yeah, a part of it is good. But see, I was right. I don't think it's good. Well, let me see if I can get out some of it to put in the pot. Sometimes we just waste our money buying stuff, you know. You get home to use it, no good. Down here, let's see if I get piece of beer too. No good. This is all I got from the 2 cocoa. So here I have my stuff in a bowl of water. Oh, one of the corn leave back. Wow, I gotta put this in the pot. So it's a little over 1 hour. And remember, we already make our dumpling. Remember our dumpling over here? We're now gonna add them in the pot. Add the dumpling in. You don't want to stir the pot same time, else you will disfigure your dumpling. Just cover and let them stay. Remember, they are not at the bottom, so they won't stick. And I'm gonna peel the yellow yam. So you peel the yellow yam and you're gonna slice it the way you want to slice it. Remember, we're cooking soup, so you don't want them too thick in the soup. So you can slice like this, and then you can slice it in 2 again. Now I'm gonna stir my pot. And we're gonna place our yellow yam in. You saw it white? Look, pure water, this here look on it, guys. You see that? But you soon see how my soup look. You just have to stick around to see or it's gonna become pumpkin soup, right? Put your yam in and stir it. And now we're gonna add in the chayote, our Irish potato, and our carrot. So I'm gonna put in the salt and the all-purpose seasoning. Ensure you rinse your thyme. I'm gonna add the butter in. So this is the ginger. All you need to do is just press it with a knife. Just press it out, or you can use something and just pound on it. Now prepare the scallion and just remove the head. You can always plant this, so now you get scallion again. Beautiful people, you're watching the video and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed. You never comment, you never like. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to like, share, and hit that notification bell. Subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with friends, family, co-workers. Share the video. And this is a way our Jamaican cook Jamaican soup. So we're gonna rinse the scallion. I'm just gonna pound the head of it. You wanna pound your scallion When you're cooking soup, you don't cut scallion, put in the pot. You just want to pound it out. And then you just scrub with your hand. Rub it out. See that? Just rub out your scallion like this. And I'm going to add this in the pot. You see, we kind of getting a little color. You see the color glowing? Alright, just give it a little more time. So I see you back, guys, in the next 15 minutes. Stir your pot. And 15-minute time. After 15 minutes, we're just gonna add our noodle in. Rinse my pepper, and you're gonna put the pepper in. Ensure it don't have any break on it. And you leave the pepper right at the top there. And you don't want the pepper to burst. So always pay attention to your pepper sitting right at the top. We're gonna cover back our pot and let it boil for 15 more minutes. I'll see you again, guys. And now we are checking in on our pumpkin beef soup. Look at that, guys. You see the color that it have now? And our pepper, the pepper is sitting right at the top. Remember, you don't want the pepper all the way down, and you don't want it burst. And look at our soup. And I want to show you how you know that your beef is cooked. And you can always taste the soup, you know, guys, to see if it needs any more spice or whatever. And how you know when your beef is cooked is when you get a fork. And you get the fork, you see, and you put the fork, and you see the fork go from one end to the other, or you just stir it in two. Alright, let me check on the beef bone. You see that? So our beef is cooked. Our Irish potato, you see the fork, can break it. So you know your soup is cooked. And you see how yellow it looking on top. All this time on the top here, you can just pull them out, see? All the leaf gone, it already done. The work that is should done already to this soup. And the aroma is in the here. It smells so good. So don't go away yet, guys. We're not done yet, okay? Just stick around and let us move on to the next. You see how the soup thick and rich? Look. Oh my God. So here we are, beautiful spicy family. Our pumpkin beef soup is ready. Of beef pumpkin soup. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So go ahead and give it a try. I know you will love this on this Saturday evening. Jamaican people always have a pot of soup on a Saturday evening. So beautiful people, I thank you for watching. I'm gonna dive in this now, and not just me alone. My neighbor, friends, and family is waiting for their share. So we all gonna dive in this. So you wanna come over here and dive in with us. I thank you all. Please take care of yourself. And remember, above all, let us be our brothers and sister keeper. Let us always be an eye out for each other. Peace and love. And from D-Don Kitchen to where? Your kitchen. And I'll see you where? On the next one. It's time for the show to begin.